Okay, so getting the front cavity foam removed. As you can see, I'm putting the foam back in. This is just El Cheapo foam that I got from Walmart, 3-inch gap. So it's taken 5 cans, and I'll probably need 2 more cans here to finish it off. I moved my rear battery up front. This will be a backup battery. I've got another starting battery in the back. I'm just trying to get some weight off the back end. It'd be easy for me to lose weight, but figured I'll try this first. This cavity here is going to be for a lithium pack. So a buddy of mine is going to build me 24 volt 500 watts of lithium for the trolling motor. When I ran the numbers, I'm only pulling 2 to 3 amps out of these batteries, using that trolling motor, because I am pushing with the kicker. So I called up RH Boats. They actually responded. They were willing to pay for everything, but I told them, it's 25 bucks for the foam. It's not really worth their time. And the way to control water is there's a drain pipe in there. They're on each side. Basically, once the water fills here, that'll be the low point. All the water will just kind of chooch in there and drain out. The front I'm not too worried about, but that's what RH Boats does now. Apparently my boat was missed for these drain pipes. They were willing to send me the pipes and everything, so kudos to them for responding. Again, once this is back up, we'll take it out and see what it does.